Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. My name is Haji Digdoyo from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering di Diponegoro University, Semarang, Indonesia. I will presentation the effect of the number of measurement point on the accuracy of temperature distribution on solar panel. Outline for introduction to basic theory, three methods for result, five analysis data, and six conclusion. Introduction. The solar panel are one of the technologies used to generate electricity from solar energy. Solar panel are a clean, renewable technologies used to generate electricity. The surface temperature of solar panel can affect the efficiency and electrical energy. It is known that the efficiency of PV modulars decreases by 0.4 until 0.5% for every 1 derajat Celsius increases in ambient temperature. High temperatures can reduce the performance of solar panel. Analysis of the solar panel surface temperature is crucial for understanding their performance. Non-uniform surface temperature distribution and heat can lead to long-term performance degradation, reduce efficiency, and often trigger permanent damage such as hot spots. In practice laboratory mapping, the temperature distribution typically requires a large number of measurement points, which in turn requires many sensors and relatively high cost. Objective: reducing the numbers of measurement points from the original 25 point to 3 point of heat plug and temperature measurement. Simplifies the system through strategies placement of the measurement point sensor to accurately capture thermal behavior. The percentage of error rate of measurement result between non-reduction and reduction. Basic theory. Analysis of the surface temperature of solar panel is crucial to understanding the performance of solar panels. In laboratory practice, particularly indoor testing, heat flux is typically measured at many points of the panel surface to map temperature distribution. However, this method requires a large number of sensors and is relatively costly. If measurements are made repeatedly for various lighting and temperature condition, this will require a long time. Researchers select optimal temperature measurement point to speed up testing and compare temperature result point reduced to 3 point, namely 1 point and center and 2 each. Reset methods. Methods are experimental in the laboratory room and numerical simulation using ANSYS. This is drawing of a setup equipment. Equipment type of solar panel is 530 cross 350 millimeter. VP is 24 watts and monocrystalline type. Light sources 1000 with halogen lamps. Distance between light sources and solar panel is 40 centimeter, 35 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. Instrument, thermogun, and heat flux sensor. Methods. Surface temperature measurement of the solar panel is done with two approaches. One, non-reduction method or full distribution of 25 point spread evenly across the panel surface by dividing the light and white into 5 parts. Two, reduction method of 3 points. Result. Experimental result. Heat plug measurement result with variation in distance of 40 centimeter, 45 centimeter, and 50 centimeter with 25 measurement point each with an interval of 3 seconds. Obtained result of 0709.9 with watt per meter square, 6 for 0.3 watt per meter square, and 551 watt per meter square. The measurement result show that the highest temperature is at the center point of the panel and decreases as it moves away from the center. This distribution pattern show a tendency for temperature to increase forward the center of the panel and decreases to forward the edge. Simulation result. Based on numerical simulation under several conditions, scheme simple, gradient, less square, cell base, pressure, standard, momentum, secondary, order upwind, energy, viscous laminar. The grid independent test was conducted and the numerical method is a grid of 34 until 260 kilometers. This is a grid independence, grid in sumbu X and temperature in sumbu axis Y. Based on the picture above, it shows that the grid 130 kilometer has shown is relatively stable temperature, so it can be used. Based on the validation result, the error rate between simulation and experimental result was 3.16%. This drawing is show comparison of experimental temperature with simulation. For color blue is experimental temperature and red color is simulation temperature with time 60 minutes. Data analysis. The duration of measurement using the non-reduction method required approximately 75 seconds to complete all 20 points with a measurement time of 3 seconds per point. Whereas with the application of the reduction method, which only requires 3 representative points, the measurement time decreases to 9 seconds, meaning there is a increase in the time efficiency of 88%, or the new method is 7.3 times faster than the initial methods. To the Fisher evaluation, the comparison between different case, a comparison of the reduction and non-reduction methods was also a method under condition of PV only, PV plus plum wax, and PV plus lauric acid at heights of 40 centimeter, 45 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. The measurement error rates at height of 40 centimeter are 6.13% for PV only, 2.44% for PV plus palm box, and 2.33% for PV plus lauric acid. The measurement error rates at height of 40 centimeter are 5.07% for PV only, point is 50% for PV and palm box, and 5.71 for PV plus lauric acid. The numerical simulation result at height of 50 centimeter are 2.76% for PV only, 3 and 3.6 for PV plus palm box, and 3.95% for PV plus fluorostasis. This diagram temperature, compression, reduction, and non-reduction. For color blue is PV only, color red is PV and farm box, and gray is PV per lauric acid. This average percentage error temperature, where for the height millimeter is 6.63%, for 45 height is 5 and 5.68%, 50 is 9 and 3 and 37%. Based on the experimental result at height 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 50 centimeter simulation result, a relatively small error rate was observed, indicated that measurement with point can representative those with 25%. This is average percentage error temperature. And conclusion, 1, temperature of monocrystalline solar panel can be measured using a reduction method with average error of less than 5%. 2, using the reduction method with 3 measurement sample with 1 point the center and 2 point at the edge, always for efficient measurement and reduced observation time. And 3, the 3-point reduction method, center, right, edge, and left edge, is widely used in the solar panel temperature monitoring system. Thank you.